Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 5.1% in the last session after rising as much as 5.4% during the session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the oil rise 0.9% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Brent crude futures settled at $72.69 a barrel, rising 17 cents after reaching their highest since May 2019. For the week, Brent was up 1%. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson says there has been a fantastic degree of harmony among Group of 7 leaders at their summit. The Bank of Japan will likely stand pat on its main policies at next week's meeting, while tinkering on the margins of its toolkit by extending aid for pandemic-hit businesses.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The U.S. 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production at 900 GMT. Finland's consumer price index will be released at 500 GMT. Japan's industrial production at 4:30 GMT. Japan's capacity utilization at 4:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.